I pre-ordered a Cybertruck, everyone. Well, kind of. Just like all of you out there who have that screenshot to share of that reservation, I have that as well, only mine is from Hot Wheels. With Cybertruck pre-orders passing about 500,000 according to Forbes, you would expect that me, the Tesla fan and fanatic and all that stuff, would have pre-ordered a Cybertruck. Well, I don't need a gigantic truck, and I'm getting the Model Y, which, if you compare the two, are actually fairly similarly spec'd. It's just the Cybertruck is way bigger. And I definitely do not need a truck. But I do think the Cybertruck design is very cool. And now Mattel has officially come out with a 1/10 scale RC version of the Cybertruck. Well, it's available for pre-order, just like the Cybertruck itself. Funny thing, if you want to order a Cybertruck, you put $100 down. If you want to order this Mattel 1/10 scale RC car Cybertruck, you have to put $400 down, and that's what I did. Granted, of course, that's luckily the full price of this versus the Cybertruck obviously is more than $100, but in any case, still excited about it. Hot Wheels also announced that they're going to be coming out with a 1/64th scale version of it, and that one's going to be $20, but it's also one of those mini RC cars, so that in itself is pretty cool, and I'm excited to see that when it comes out. But I ordered the big one because what's going to be more perfect than a big Cybertruck sitting behind me in all these videos? Unfortunately, much like the Cybertruck, it's not actually coming out for a while. The Cybertruck's going to be coming out in 2021. This is coming out in December of 2020 at the end of this year. Mattel also says that they're limited edition, so if you want one, get it now before the pre-orders sell out, because apparently once they're sold out, they're done. We'll see about that because I picture this will be very popular and then they'll end up making another run of them. But for now, it's a limited edition, so if you really want one, pre-order it. Unfortunately, in between the filming and editing and uploading process, the 1/10 version has already sold out, and the 1/64th version, right now as I'm filming this, is still good. So maybe by the time this video is up, you can still pre-order that one. But hopefully they're going to make another run of these. If that was the limited edition and they sold out in under a day, that'd be kind of annoying. So hopefully they'll do another run of them. And yeah, just be on the lookout for that. If you really want it, you gotta order it when it's available. According to the description on Mattel's website, it says that this remote-controlled Cybertruck, specifically the 1/10 scale one, is a, quote, hobby-grade radio-controlled vehicle that is off-road and rugged terrain capable. When I get this, I'm definitely going to drive that thing around and take all sorts of low videos that make it look like it's a real Cybertruck, even though it's tiny. It looks like the 1/10 scale version is actually pretty feature-packed. It has all the features of the Cybertruck. Let me read what it says on the website. So the specific features that it lists are functioning headlights and taillights to maintain visibility. Funny that you need to maintain visibility with an RC car, but still cool to have functioning headlights. And then it has all-wheel drive featuring chill or sport modes, which is kind of cool because that's obviously what Teslas have and the Cybertruck is presumably going to have. So it will have both of those modes, and it's an all-wheel drive RC car. Then it looks like it actually has a functioning version of that cover that opens and closes at the touch of a button on the real Cybertruck. You know, it kind of rolls in and rolls out. Looks like it's going to have that at 1/10 the scale. Then it has an actual functioning tailgate that folds out just like the Cybertruck does. I'm kind of hoping for a 1/10 scale Tesla ATV to put in that tailgate specifically, but we'll see about that. And then this is kind of cool for Tesla nerds out there. It has a removable plastic body to reveal interior and access internal battery and drivetrain systems. So you can remove the body itself and look at what the inside of a Tesla actually looks like at 1/10 the scale. And this is where it gets fun, and you can tell that Tesla is totally on board with the memes and just making fun of themselves for breaking the window on the Cybertruck. It says that it's going to include a reusable cracked window vinyl sticker. So, kind of to remember at the announcement event when Franz threw the metal ball at the Cybertruck window and it broke, and then they did it again, and it still broke even though it wasn't supposed to. We're going to have that option in the sticker. And this is the second time Tesla has made fun of that. They've already made a t-shirt that makes fun of that cracked window, and now they're making an RC car that makes fun of that cracked window. Totally on board, and if anything, that cracked window has just helped Tesla get more sales of the Cybertruck at this point. And then, of course, it's electric and has a rechargeable battery, which is great that I don't have to fumble with some AA's or some of those big batteries from back in the day that I haven't seen in a long time. Glad that it's just a rechargeable battery. One particular note that I love about this is that they announced it today. It doesn't come out till December, and there's already a review, and this review is from Florida Man, and he said, quote, worth $400. It goes about 38 miles per hour four-wheel drive, works perfectly. and this guy has never touched this thing. As I'm making this video, I had pre-ordered the 1/10th scale version, but I just realized I obviously need to pre-order the 1/64th scale as well. If these are limited edition, it's going to be awesome to have that, and it's only 20 bucks. If you're a Cybertruck fan, why not have a little mini Hot Wheels sized Cybertruck that's actually remote controlled? Pretty cool. It seems that Hot Wheels and Tesla are totally on board together, collaborating, making fun of the Cybertruck at the same time as they're making a cool version of it that's an RC version, because on the website it says, quote, "Look, we don't know if it's literally bulletproof like its life-size inspiration, but we can guarantee that it is literally awesome." The specific features for the 1/64th version are the 3-inch radio control Cybertruck combines the modern Tesla design with the iconic Hot Wheels size, so basically it's just the same size as a normal Hot Wheels. Then it says, race on Hot Wheels track, on a horizontal track, race, or take it vertical on a classic Hot Wheels track loop. I mean, we're Hot Wheels after all. So basically, not off-road. This is designed specifically for Hot Wheels tracks, which makes sense. And then it says key features include 2-wheel drive with both chill or sport speed to reach up to 500 miles per hour scale speed and recharging from controller. You're welcome. So it's cool because it's one of those mini RC cars that when you need to charge it, you just charge it on the controller itself. And I love that they list 500 miles per hour scale speed because it's 1/64th of 500 miles per hour. Kind of ridiculous. But like every other Tesla, it has chill and sport mode, which probably just means goes slower or goes faster. In any case, I technically pre-ordered a Cybertruck and I can't wait for it. I'm actually going to go right now and go order the other smaller one because why not? It's $20 and it looks like it'll be really cool, and according to the website, it's limited edition. So if you really want one, go order it now. So as it turns out, both Cybertrucks that I ordered are back ordered. So looks like Mattel's about to get some production hell of their own. So just a quick review for both of them. They're shipping in December. You have the 1/10th version at $400, the 1/64th version at $20, and they're both RC controlled, which is pretty cool. And in the meantime, as I wait for my Cybertruck, my 1/10th scale Cybertruck to come in December, I should be getting my Model Y before then, and that is the real 1/1 scale functioning Model Y. So make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be coming out with all sorts of Model Y, Tesla, and tech videos every single week. And if you found this video helpful or fun or whatever, hit that like button so more people can find it. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.